Hi guys, this is Charlie, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an animated video within about 2 minutes, and you can do this for free. So I'm just going to hop onto my computer now and show you how I do this. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, then please click the subscribe button and click the notifications bell, because I'll be coming up with a lot more tutorials for you to help you grow your business. So, okay, so let me just jump on to my computer. So the platform I'm using is called Builderall, and they do a 7-day free trial. So basically, we've got hundreds of tools that you can use to grow your business. I'm not going to show you them all now, but we do website builders, sales funnels, we do app creators, we've got an email autoresponder, and design studio. But today we're going to look at videos. Okay, so animated videos. Okay, create a new project, project name, training, create. Okay then guys, this is so easy. Okay, so open your new project, select a template. Now these are already done for you, so if you are in Builderall, or if you are in a different niche that you can use these templates, you can obviously have an empty one, but I'm just going to choose this one. I've just worked on this one. It literally took me about 5 to 10 minutes to perfect it, so I'm just going to choose that one. And here we go. So I'm just going to run through it with you so you know what I'm doing. Right, stop the music, pause this a minute, audio, remove audio, yeah, remove audio. Okay, so back to here. Right then guys, so yeah, there's your audio buttons, and then here is play the frame, play from the start and play the frame. Okay, what you're on, so let's play it from the start. Okay, put your company name in there. Okay, that's it. So what we do then guys is so play from the start and go to the frame that you want to customize. Okay, so press pause, double click your company name, and you can change it to whatever you want. So let's just put test, update, company test. Okay, press play. Obviously, you can amend this to your own business. If you want to change the picture, just you go here, there's the images, and you would upload your images, go to upload image from your PC, and then you just tick it enter it, but I'm just using this now as a template, so I don't need to change anything. I'm just showing you if you wanted to change the image, you can do. You can double click the text, you can check it, you can click to change the text. So, but I'm not doing that because I don't need to. And here we go, it's all done for you. It's just so easy. Okay, press pause, double click here. My website is cashbaby, cashbaby.uk. Update text, and then obviously you can go in and put your Facebook profiles in there as well. Pause, double click. Cashbaby.uk. Play. Okay. And that's it. I think that's it. Is that the end? Yeah, that's the end. All right. Okay, so save. Literally minutes, guys, this takes. So, okay. And then what I've done as well is if you press this green button here, you can add a slide. And that'll come right at the end here. This is your slides at the side. And then you can add, I'm just going to add my logo. I'm going to set it as a background image. Okay. And then you've got here, this is where you can fade them in, or you can choose, let me just show you. So then you can choose whatever animation you'd like. Let's go for this one. Let's have a look at that one. Okay, so click the red one there, and then you can press play. You don't have to go through it all again. And you can just see what it looks like. There you go. All done. Okay then, guys, so then you would save. Okay, export your video, click best, start encoding. There you go. All right then, guys, so you can use Builderall for free for 7 days. So if you'd like to go to cashbaby.uk, I'll also put a link below the video so you can just go straight to our website. And like I say, you can use it for free for 7 days, and then you can just download your videos. So I suggest you go and have a play around, and I hope that, you know, your videos, you know, you're going to enjoy using the platform. And like I say, we've got loads and loads of tools on there as well, not just animated videos. So you're quite welcome to go and have a look round. We've got loads of templates on there. Well, that's processing. Let me just go back and show you. So if you go to, this is your back office, obviously. Go to Builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and go to Sales Funnels, if that's what you're interested in. Okay, and we've got loads of sales funnels here for you. So all you need to do is just go in and customize them. All right, but yeah, for sure, your animated videos will be downloaded, and you can download them for free. So just click the link below the video and it'll take you through to the website. Okay, so you can register. I'm just going to show you quickly what happens at the end as well. What else can I show you? Let's have a look. So let's have a look at the website, new website. Okay, so again, you've got all these different templates you can use, and it's all drag and drop. It's all really easy to use. And put your videos in there, your YouTube videos. Okay, guys, what else have we got? We've got a webinar app as well. Mailing Boss, that's the autoresponder. Let me just go and show you the pricing plans as well. Let me just go to, so if you haven't heard of Builderall already, so we're the platform, but we also offer an affiliate business. Okay, so these funnels and affiliate links are already generated for you. So if you wanted to share Builderall with anybody, you can do. Okay then, guys, so this is the home page. And it just basically runs through everything what we do. Okay, so we've got pricing plans up here. Like I say, it's free for 7 days. And if you decide to stay with us, then you can choose to upgrade to simple web presence, $9.90 a month, or we've got the whole digital marketing package for $29.90 a month. So you can see it's super duper cheap compared to everybody else. And if you do decide to promote Builderall, we for an extra $20, you can use all the tools to promote us, and also, yeah, like I say, and also get your business back at office. So, but I'm not going to go into that too much now. But like I say, you've got. I just wanted to show you while this video is propagating. Okay. It basically, at the end, I mean, it's at the end, it will give you some options to download it as an MP4, and also you can share it straight to YouTube, or you can share it straight to Facebook. Okay. That is pretty much intuitive when it finishes. So I'm not going to let you hang around too much then, guys. I just wanted to show you what the steps were when you finish. But yeah, it's pretty intuitive. It's fine. It's fine. You just you can either download it to an MP4, and obviously that'll go into your files here. And then you can just upload it to YouTube as normal, okay? And obviously, like I say, you've got the some different buttons that you can choose to share it to Facebook or share it to YouTube direct, okay? All right then, guys, I hope that helps, and I will again remind you that I'll put the link below if you wanted to sign up for a free trial and create your own animated video within seconds. Okay. Thank you. See you on another tutorial.